Uncle Clay and Coco time. This is burping.
You are okay.
How do you feel right now, Uncle Clay?
She was doing great until I picked her up to burp her, then she just freaked out.
This is her typical
Hey,
charade after eating and burping.
you
Yeah.
gotta burp. You gotta burp, Monk. Come on.
You're okay. And then all of a sudden she'll stop. Like she realizes I'm full.
She realizes nobody's listening.
Oh, and I'm drooling.
Did you get that one? Nice, all over the hand. Atta girl. I should be the one crying. What are you crying for? Burp. She's bipolar. You are so bipolar.
Well, then she realizes, wait, I'm full.
Burp.
I don't know what the big deal is.
Burp.
Hi, Coco. Hi. Can you be happy now?
Burp already.
Can we be happy? Huh?
I want a big burp.
Can we be happy? See, she like gets so upset and then she just calms down. I'm fine.